How to add link in Moodle 2025. We want to do is open up your course and make sure your edit mode is turned on. From here you go to the week that you'd like to add this URL into. Click on Add an Activity or Resource. From here you can go into the All to see all the activities or resources and find URL. Otherwise this will be located under the Resources tab. You can also put a star here so that it shows up on your starred activities. So once you find the URL, you can go ahead and click on it. And in here you're going to give this a name. Here you can add a description of what this link is. And you can choose to display this on the course homepage, so it will have the link with this description underneath it. The last thing you may want to change is the appearance. You can do a new window, or you can just choose to have it open. The link there for Qualtrics within my Moodle course. Thanks for watching.